If you want to welcome every new subscriber automatically, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to set up MailChimp automated emails for new subscribers, step by step, so you can save time, stay organized, and make a great first impression without sending every email manually. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign into your MailChimp account using your login details. After you arrive at the dashboard, you're ready to create an automation, also called a journey in MailChimp. On the left-hand menu, click Automations. This is where MailChimp lets you build automated email workflows for new contacts, subscribers, and customer actions. Next, create a new automation. You may see an option to build from scratch, and if you want full control over your workflow, that is the best choice. Building from scratch gives you more flexibility because you can decide exactly what happens after someone joins your list. Now it's time to name your automation. Give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. For example, you could call it Subscriber Onboarding. A simple and descriptive name helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create more automations in the future. After naming it, click Choose a Trigger. This is the event that starts the automation. In this case, you want the automation to begin when someone signs up for your email list. So click Signs Up for Email. That means every new subscriber who joins your audience will automatically enter this journey. Now you can drag and drop the actions you want to happen after sign up. This is the part where you build your email sequence. If you want to send a welcome email first, choose the option to send mail. On the left side, drag and drop Send Mail into your automation flow. This tells MailChimp that once the trigger happens, an email should be sent right away or at the timing you choose. After that, scroll down and click Select a Template. You can choose a pre-made design or use one of your saved drafts. In this example, I'm choosing from Drafts, so click Drafts and then select the mail you want to use. This is helpful if you already created a welcome email and want to reuse it instead of starting from zero. Once you've selected your email, click Save and Return to Journey. That brings you back to the automation flow so you can review everything before turning it on. At this stage, MailChimp may ask you to upgrade your plan. If that happens, click Upgrade and continue. Review the plan details, complete the upgrade if needed, and then click Start to launch your automation. Once it's live, every new subscriber who signs up will receive your automated email without you having to do anything manually. And that's how you set up MailChimp automated emails for new subscribers. It's a simple setup, but it can make a huge difference in how professional and responsive your email marketing feels. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.